Today we're featuring a 2015 certified Honda CRV EX. It's got 29,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. It was purchased new right here at McKenney, Salinas Honda. Alright, it's Basque red, pearl in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in good shape. It is equipped with the backup camera. Make our way down the passenger seat or passenger side of the vehicle. Do have a couple little scratches right through here, and then one along through there. Okay, really minor. They've already been painted over. All right, it does have the blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that in a second. And the only other thing we noticed was a couple little places here on the hood had a couple little scratches running right up through there. Maybe another little small one right there. Really minor stuff. It's already been painted over. Alright, other than that, it's in really good shape. Alright, 29,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have your ECON button there, and then there's your blind spot monitoring button. It does have your power driver's seat. Okay, gray cloth. Cloth's in good shape. It is equipped with the sunroof. Okay, it does have the keyless entry key fob. It does have your heated seats. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your climate control area there. Touch screen here. Alright. Another display screen there. It's got your remote or your push button start. Alright, and your backup camera and your blind spot monitoring camera will be there, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,463 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, go ahead and show you your home screen here. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and you can change the view on the backup camera with these buttons here. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back in park, and we're going to engage the blind spot monitoring button. Alright, and that's exactly what it says it is. It just displays the blind spot. You can either press the button to get it to come on, or you can turn, make a lane change, use your turn signal, and it'll come on that way as well. Alright, AC blowing cold, no problems there. I wanted to show you before we check out the back seat is right here in the center console. You just lift that up, you have your HDMI cable, alright, 2 USB ports, and a power outlet as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Let me go ahead and pull this seat up. Alright, I'll go ahead and let you get a look at the cloth back here. But it looks to be in really good shape. No problem at all. Got the center console that comes down, cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, well, this certified Honda is in great shape. 29,000 miles on it. Let's take a look back here in the back. It's got the nice hard plastic protector mat back here. Cloth underneath looks good. Let's go ahead and pull this up. Got your spare tire under there and the jack. Alright. Alright, and one thing I love about, and it's also got this, the sunshade right here, but one thing I love about these CRVs, it's got the handle right here and right here. You simply pull that handle. Alright, seats are going to go forward. The seat belt's kind of stopping that one, but you pull this handle, seat goes forward. Alright, and you can see just how much it opens it up. Alright, you can take that sunshade out, but it opens it wide up back here. Wide open, plenty of room, plenty of space. Alright, one thing I just noticed, just a couple little nicks right here on the entry point, on the back bumper. Alright, but that kind of stuff is normal, especially on an SUV. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires. Tires are in really good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda CRV EX. It's got a Carfax one owner. All right, it was purchased new here at McKenney Salinas Honda, traded back in on another vehicle. All right, it's a certified unit, lots of extra coverage. It's in great shape, couple little scratches here and there, but overall it's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.